bounds.
Hello guys, and today we'll be doing a crate opening. Yes, that's right. I'm going to be opening a crate at 48 gems. I'm going to spend it. Ready? Let's go. Let's hope I get like a new weapon. Free spin. Obviously 3 gems on a free spin. Who doesn't want that? Like, totally not a waste. Ooh, that's good. I don't have that yet. Three disco ball things. Coins, I'm fine with that. I'm trying to save up to 225. Depends actually if I already have a gun in that category. Another free spin. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Could have been better, but whatever. Yeah, free spin could have been better. Like, yeah. I want to be spending as many gems as I can. This episode, or this video. Oh, that was the weapon I really wanted. This is the weapon I really wanted. Let's start off there. Let's see if I actually get it. Nope. I actually get coins. I'm perfectly fine with that. And I'd like to get that 50 jackpot. That would be awesome. I get 3 new spins. Okay. I actually got a puppy today. So I'm going to show a clip at the end of this of her. Let's just hope no one talks. Ooh, yes. Hitman mask. I have one last free spin. Yes! I'm getting some really good stuff this episode. All this video. If you want to see this as a series, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more daily content. I promise you it'll be daily. I'm actually going to be posting another TCG Pokemon code today. Tonight. Or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Because I have to walk my dog. And yeah. I'm going to try getting a good clip of her. She's really huge. She's only 11 weeks. She's a Great Dane. Those things are huge. My sister could ride an adult one. Those headphones, whatever. Okay, all the gear though. Okay, I only have 2 more spins. I got 10. Honestly, don't care. I honestly think I have almost every single hat now. Do you keep these forever, or are they just for a limited time? So, that's really cool. Oh, yes. This is the gun I'm going to save up for. That's why I really want it. Oh my gosh, that looks so weird. Armor. Show armor. Yes, I'm going to the crystal. Wants me to. Tomorrow, I'll be hatching that magical. Yes, I'll be hatching a magical. And also that ancient. I'll be. Make sure to support this video. Shh. Stop. thought that I had to make another clip, but I'm going to show a clip of my dog about right. Not
a kid yet.
But there's no doubt anymore. You're the only man to me.